Bullish Dash cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $235.10 and $444.07 by 2030. Market examiners accept Dash could reach $182.85 by 2025. Bearish Dash market cost expectation for 2023 is $41.80. Dash presentation. Numerous crypto tokens couldn't measure up to the ubiquity of Bitcoin and Ethereum networks yet figure out how to keep areas of strength for in a huge specialized structure that draws in financial backers and a stage for application improvement. One of those organizations is the Dash Convention, which was planned as an open-source token forked from the Bitcoin blockchain that highlights modest and quick exchanges, enhanced application subtleties for designers, and a certifiable monetary engineering. Nonetheless, after the rut in costs of the token, does it actually have extraordinary future potential? Will it recover its unsurpassed high? And what are the rules that start the making of the token? We'd talk about the fundamental elements of the Dash organization, the prevailing variables pushing the ascent of the coin, and specialists' viewpoints on the fate of the coin. What is Dash? Dash is an open-source digital money project that was sent off as a Litecoin's fork and was established by programming designers Kyle Hagen and Evan Duffield in 2014 under the name Darkcoin or Xcoin prior to rebranding to Dash. It was at first made to focus on the requirement for secrecy and online protection, yet changed its essential concentration to online installments and business after its rebranding. The rebrand came as an answer for the issues in regards to modest, quick, and borderless exchanges and has served impeccably from that point forward. Dash is typically contrasted with Bitcoin due to the likeness between the two organizations. However, Dash handles on-chain exchanges uniquely in contrast to Bitcoin. Bitcoin and its forks have a greater client base which caused blockage on the organization more often than not, high exchange expenses, and, surprisingly, a sluggish pace of information handling. Comprehensively, Bitcoin upheld a profoundly straightforward arrangement of exchanges that shows the historical backdrop of a client's on-chain exercises utilizing their organization. However, Dash was planned as a private blockchain that uses numerous levels of organization engineering. This private component is, in any case, viewed as not advantageous for general installment due to the absence of responsibility and following. Dash major examination. Dash organization was sent off as a superior option in contrast to Bitcoin by Kyle Hagen and has since kept up with speed towards acquiring worldwide reception. It was named after computerized money to focus on its impact in the web-based business local area. Different food and drink organizations, retail, shopping firms, business administration, travel, digital currency area, and so forth have joined forces with the Dash organization to build their installment choices. These organizations incorporate Bitrefill, Bitfee, Cloudbit, CoinPay, CBD Chewy Candies, Shop'n'Bit, NordVPN, Portable Top-Up, XLTrip, SugarTrends, Viking VPN, LeMason Navar, Parlor of Satoshi, Crypto Refills, thus numerous others. This further underlines the possibilities of this token as they reach out into additional nations and firms. Dash current cost. Dash is at present worth $52.24 USD. Dash has moved 2.72% as of now with an exchanging volume of $91,518,222. Dash is at present position 72 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $579,734,797 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dash to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Dash market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Dash value expectation 2023. Dash, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Dash cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $78.37. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $73.14 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Dash is supposed to have a base worth of $62.69. Dash value forecast 2024. In 2024, Dash cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Dash will before long outperform $130.61. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Dash's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Dash will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $104.49 and a typical exchanging cost of $114.94. Dash Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $182.85 and Dash might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Dash is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $167.18 and a low of $156.73 in 2025. Dash Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Dash effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Dash coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Dash will be green in 2026. The Dash is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $235.10, with a base cost of $208.98 and a typical cost of $219.42. Dash Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Dash cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $271.67 by 2027, with a base cost of $261.22 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Dash has a most extreme value worth of $287.34. Dash Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $323.91. On the off chance that Dash figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $339.59. Neglecting to accumulate the help Dash needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $313.46. Dash Value Expectation 2029. While Dash is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $365.71 and a yearly cost close above $391.83 in 2029. Dash Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Dash will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $417.95 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $444.07, averaging out at $428.40. Dash Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Dash cost in 2031 is projected to be $511.99 in case of a bull run, with a